Argentina win the game. Daka mynsiem baskem bachelor will stand with you forevermore.